Google AdWords. So if you're doing Google AdWords, now Google AdWords traffic, if you've been around me for a little while, you'll know that I run Google traffic all the time to my Amazon products. It's fan-bloody-tastic. And the most important thing about this, of course, is to get your search terms correct. Search terms, what we put into Google when we're looking to buy something. What was the thing that we're doing here? It was a heated beard comb. So if I was selling this and I was running my own traffic to it, then I would have, now look what comes up. In the USA, I would run traffic on that search term right there, heated beard comb Amazon, because anybody searching for that is a buyer. They want to buy a heated beard comb, and importantly, they want to buy it on Amazon. Anybody that goes to your advert afterwards, so this one right here, for instance, very smart person, whoever this is, that's a brilliant place to put a Google AdWords ad. Okay, now if we just click through, sorry, person who's running that, you'll see they have done exactly what they should have done, which is sent the traffic directly to the URL. So just notice the URL there. It's not a two-step URL. It's direct linking to the Amazon product. Why? Well, thing number one is Google will reward you with lower click costs and also with more relevancy, which means it will show your ad in more places by direct linking. It gives you a boost to do that. Secondly, you don't have the same problem where we're using cold traffic. Anybody searching for heated comb Amazon is a buyer. They're ready to buy. They're a buyer. They're ready to buy. Okay, and they're ready to buy on Amazon. So it's a good to send them directly to your listing. You're not going to screw up your on-page conversions. Thing number three, and this is very important. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.